All right, what do you say? Here we go. It's Friday, last trading day of the week. A lot to cover off. We've had a lot happen in the last 12 hours. Now, since the close of the market yesterday, we've had Nike come out and report earnings. Nike beat by much better than expected. Stock was up 12% in the overnight session. We're seeing the stock market across the board trade higher. We had the bank stress test results come out from the Fed after the close. Fed comes out, says banks are in a good bill of health. Banks are trading higher because they can now buy back stocks. They can raise dividends, which was paused during the pandemic. Good news on that front. We've got a big $1 trillion infrastructure bill that's moving through and getting final sign off through Congress. That's giving these markets a bit of a boost, raising that cloud of uncertainty. So a lot going on in the past 12 hours that are giving the stock market a bit of momentum. Now, that said, FX could be very interesting today. Why? Well, we have that PCE inflation data that's coming out this morning. Will be interesting to see how that aligns with CPI. Something to keep an eye on. Could see some volatility, particularly in FX. Now, we've got that dollar trying to hold on to some of the gains over the past couple of days. We'll see if it can continue to do so into the close of today's session to round out the week. So that said, let's get into the day. Let's have some fun, trade a little bit of price action. Everybody have a great Friday. Have a great weekend. I'll see you again on Monday.